As of now, we're here in golf resort at Sabah, Malaysia. This is Panjang using mee goreng, right? Okay, this is a mee goreng.
Yeah.
This is semua. I'm going to my coworkers. We are here in the golf resort. That's the pool. So many people swimming over there, and we're having fun right now. And that is Kakmida. That's the owner of the restaurant. Kakmida. Video.
Okay.
Okay. That's the owner of the restaurant, Kakmida. The Air Panas. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, this is Kwan. And this is the mee goreng ayam, our food for the lunch, and this is tukang masak, and also that mee goreng. Yes, I know. After this, Marnie. Okay, sama, habis.